今日嚟講下全英文升中面試嘅技巧。嚟緊2月就開始要去自行分配學位嘅中學面試啦。喺首輪面試入邊，點樣可以喺自我介紹度突圍而出，同埋更勝一籌？校長、老師每日都要聽幾十位學生自我介紹，點樣先至可以令到佢哋留低深刻嘅印象呢？咁今日咧主要會講下2個成日都會問嘅題目嘅。喺條片開始之前，大家要記得 like、subscribe 同埋 share 我哋個 channel， 仲要記得撳埋下面個小鈴鐺喎。咁我哋即刻去片啦！首先第一個問題咧就係 Please tell me something about yourself。咁我都上過唔少嘅面試班嘅小朋友啦，咁佢哋咧成日遇到呢一條問題咧，第一個反應都係問我 Miss 啊，呢個應該要點樣答啊？又或者佢哋就會問，咁係咪等於自我介紹咧？咁甚至有啲學生咧，佢哋亦都會直接就答佢叫咩名啦、幾多歲啦，同埋讀邊一間學校嘅。咁但係其實考官係咪真係想聽你講呢一啲咧？咁老實講啦，其實去每一間中學面試嘅時候咧，你都會交一份 application form 啦。咁老師同埋校長咧都會手攞住一份你嘅 portfolio 啦，又或者係你嗰一張 form 嘅。上面其實已經有晒小朋友嘅一啲背景資料啦。既然上面都已經有晒啦，我又使乜特登請個學生過嚟 interview 講咧？老實講，其實面試咧主要都係想睇下個學生識唔識得表達自己嘅。注意喎，唔係 listing， 而係要睇下小朋友識唔識得 elaborate 自己嘅答案。跟住落嚟咧，我會俾個框架大家參考一下嘅，大約係1分鐘嘅自我介紹入邊。首先咧，都係要講少少背景資料嘅，咁可以用10至15秒啦。要講小朋友嘅名、讀邊一間學校，同埋揀一個你認為最可以代表自己，又或者係最突出嘅性格。簡單舉一個例子啦，佢可以話I'm a curious learner who enjoys challenging myself every day。簡單一句就可以㗎啦，唔需要太長嘅。第二部分咧就係用10至15秒去講你嘅強項，可以係學科嘅。喺呢一度咧，好多小朋友都會混淆咗 talents 啦，或者係 special skills 變成 hobbies。意思咧即係話，其實個考官係想問你有啲乜嘢擅長啦，又或者係有啲乜嘢特別叻，而小朋友咧就會答咗佢中意做啲乜嘢喎。咁樣答嘅話咧，就會搞到成個方向都會錯晒㗎啦。咁意思咧，即係話小朋友可以講一啲佢特別叻嘅嘢啦。點樣叻法？例如可以係攞個獎，俾人讚過啦，又或者係有一啲記錄，甚至係一啲事蹟都得㗎喎。嗱，咁事蹟咧可能就好空泛啦。咁簡單舉一個例子，如果小朋友咧佢數學好叻，但係佢又冇攞過獎嘅，又冇參加過啲比賽，咁佢都可以話。For example, I helped my classmates with math problems during group study, which made our team stronger. 嗱，咁喺呢一個句子入邊啊，小朋友除咗可以突顯到佢數學叻之餘咧，係幫到人哋嘅喎，而且仲可以講到其實小朋友平時同其他同學相處亦都好融洽啦，所以先至可以做到 teamwork 咁樣。而第三咧就係花20秒左右去講小朋友會參加嘅課外活動咧，加埋佢嘅價值觀。記得呢一度都唔係 listing 喎，小朋友咧要揀1至2個課外活動啦，咁可以講下佢平時可能中意踢波，又或者係中意打籃球，然後再講埋嗰一個活動可以令到佢培養到啲咩品格。簡單舉一個例子 ，Outside class, I played basketball in the school team, which taught me teamwork, perseverance and competitiveness。而最後咧就嚟到結尾嘅部分啦，咁就係要多謝返有呢一個機會嚟 interview 啦，同埋多謝老師專心咁樣聽佢。咁可以話 I believe I can contribute and grow here. Thank you for this chance。咁樣就完咗成個1分鐘嘅自我介紹啦。咁當然啦，除咗啱啱我講嘅面試係睇下小朋友識唔識表達自己之外咧，要夠自信其實都好重要嘅。咁所以小朋友咧可以每一日花少少時間錄條片俾自己睇，睇下有啲咩需要改善嘅地方。例如可能講嘢嘅時候會有啲窒嘅，又或者係眼神比較閃縮啦，同埋坐姿唔夠正確喎。第二題成日都會問嘅咧就係 Why would you want to study in our school？好多小朋友咧，好多時都會答得好行啦，又或者係太過空泛啦，可能會話校風好好啦，成績好好啦，或者係名氣好高咁樣。 但係其實咧，我哋越係答到呢啲問題咧，就一定要夠 specific 嘅，咁就要麻煩家長同埋學生咧都要一齊做功課咯喎。咁你可以留意多啲嗰一間學校嘅 website 啦，又或者係佢哋平時嘅走向，可能係間學校比較注重 STEAM，又或者係音樂方面，同埋你真係要諗下點解你會想入嗰一間學校。咁簡單舉一個例子，可能嗰一間學校咧提供到好多機會俾學生去 study tour 嘅，即係令到學生可以增廣見聞咁樣啦。英文嘅話咧就可以講話 offer excellent opportunities for 嘟嘟嘟咁樣。另外小朋友咧都可以跟住嗰一間學校嘅走向咧，嘗試 link 翻自己嘅一啲經驗啦，又或者係興趣嘅。就好似小朋友可能特別中意音樂嘅，而嗰一間學校咁啱亦都係想向呢一個方面發展，咁佢就可以話嗰一間學校嘅 music program，例如係 orchestra 或者係 choir，will help me improve 嘟嘟嘟。咁呢一度咧有一個完整嘅例子嘅，就係I want to study in your school because it offers excellent opportunities for music and service learning, which match my interests perfectly. The reason is that your music program, like the orchestra and choir, will help me improve my piano skills while building teamwork. For example, I joined my primary school's band and learned to support others during performances, just like your service trips abroad teach leadership. Overall, I believe your school will help me grow as a responsible student who contributes to the community. 咁記住咧，小朋友答問題嘅時候咧，每一個答案都唔好淨係答 yes or no， 又或者係簡單一句就完，而係講完你嘅 point 之後咧，你仲要俾你嘅 reason 啦，同埋一啲 example 去 support 翻你個答案嘅。今日呢一條片就嚟到呢一度啦。其實面試班咧仲有好多內容同埋 skills 嘅。如果呢一條片反應踴躍嘅話，咁我下次就再講多啲其他 skills 啦，例如點樣答時事同埋價值觀題。所以大家記得一定要 like、subscribe 同埋 share， 仲要記得撳埋個鈴鐺先至會收到通知嘅喎。多謝大家翻嚟一齊揾嘢，我係阿懵，拜拜。